Oh, they steal everything. Ouch! They...
What is that?
No. Hey, the dude, the slim one is stealing. They're all coming to eat. Mom, can I?
Oh, they take everything.
Gabby, can I have a big piece? This is a big piece. Hey, handsome. Ah, bro, you're gonna eat. Gabby, give me a piece. Like a.
Hey, little one. Here you go. This for you. Oh.
No, bro, that guy's evil. He just pushed the other off the cliff. Nah. Nah, they're pushing each other just to get the food.
Whoa! He swallowed everything.
They just, Mom, why are they eating ants now?
No, they eat the food which is dropping there.
Bro, they're gonna one. Mom, this one came on me. No, oh, this one is mine.
Gabby, you still have?
Yeah. I got all. Not all. I just
Now I have something. Come to me.
I want some. Bro, that guy is pushing.
Don't bite my finger.
They're fighting just for the food, bro. Look at this, bro. Did you say that? He's sitting on the of the cliff just to eat, bro. Bro, you're gonna start. Bro, this dude is evil. Look. This one. That one.
Oh, he steal everything.
And he dropped
And
it.
you drop it. Now go down. You drop everything.
Hey, I want a handsome pigeon.
Oh, this is biting another's.
He's evil. He just go push others off the cliff. I'm gonna push you off the cliff, bro.
And he's scared.